So guys, this is the first job opening that we have at Detox Technologies, right? So they want someone with the knowledge of vulnerability assessment and pen testing. They should have good knowledge. They want minimum 2 years of experience, right? So this is for the experienced folks, right? OWASP and MAP, all those tools knowledge is important. DevOps is will be a plus point. DevSecOps will be a little bit more plus point. And there are a couple of certifications. If you'll be having, then this will be again a plus point, right? So this is the mail where you need to drop along with the subject for what position you're going to apply and the CV for pen tester profile along with your name, right? So whatever you expect, just write down in the mail. Expected CTC, current CTC, notice period, as well as mention everything in the mail, whatever you want to ask, right? Now next one. So this is freshers, guys. This is for you, those who are looking from job from a very long time, right? So Konica is hiring from RCS. RCS is Rectitudes, whatever company this is. Rectitude, Rectitux, right? So they're hiring for cybersecurity analyst as an intern, fresher, Pune on-site job. So they are looking for the candidate for this kind of qualification skills. So they should have at least bachelor degree, AWS, Azure, GSP, GCP knowledge is important, right? So just do it out. They want cybersecurity threat analyst kind of, okay, and protect. They want cybersecurity analyst, right, as an intern on immediate basis. So just apply and they you might get hired as soon as. Next opening is काफी छोटा है but we're going to pay you a lot. Someone is looking for SOC analyst, threat hunting analyst. Dallas, US is the place where they want you to work, right? Face-to-face interview, and you may send your resume at krishna@matrixit.com. Next one, yeah, someone is looking for IT support engineer. This is a mail ID on which you can drop your resume. So company name is IT Azan, right? So mariam.traffic@itazan.tech. Next one, internship positions probably for the freshers, and this will be a 6 month tenure job, right? So they want you to work as a they actually pay secure is the company where you need to work, and they are in the payment solutions, providing seamless secure whatever things which is written. So they want software development intern, right? So this is not for the cyber security, but for the coders. There's a lot of people those are working as a coders. So duration is 6 months. They want you to design, develop, integrate plugins for pay secure platform. They need to work you to create some sort of APIs, databases, and a couple of more things. Just read it out. You may pause this video and look out. And they want you to have a strong programming skills, Java, Python, JavaScript, familiar with APIs and all those things is important, right? Unnati@paysecure.net is the mail ID where you need to apply, right? So that's all for today. If you have any questions, please ask. Then we can wind up. Thank you very much.